So today we have something completely different and exciting for you. We have a property here in Urbanization La Palomas. It is located between Manilva and Sotogrande. So it's a different part of Costa del Sol we're going to see here. We have this property that has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a huge terrace with breathtaking view all over the coast. It is perfect and ideal to spend holidays in family. We'll also have a huge swimming pool, as you can see here. You'll have a private parking space, you'll have garden, and you'll just be a couple of minutes walking to the beach. This is ideal to experience a very, very relaxed holiday and enjoy all what the real Costa del Sol has to offer. So you wanted something different, you don't want to be in all that mess that can be sometime in summer, Marbella, Puerto Banús and all the city. Come with us and let us show you the wonders of Manilva. So, what did you think about this property we have here in Manilva? It is ideal for a family vacation to enjoy quietness and close to the sea with those wonderful views you just see. Isn't it ideal to have a different taste of Costa del Sol without the big hassle of the city? So, reach us. We can use phone, email, WhatsApp, whatever. I'm sure we're gonna find a little spot for your next holiday. So, see you soon.